Tēnā koutou, ko Wahine Murch tōku ingoa. My name's Wahine Murch. Kei te tūau hei kai tono mō te Papamārearea Māori ward. I'm standing for our Māori ward. First priority always is protecting our taiao. It has sustained us for years and years, and so protecting things like our rivers, our waters, our mountains and our lands would be equivalent to protecting us in our future. Second priority for me is to ensure the representation of the younger generation and of Wahine Māori on the council table. I'm the youngest candidate standing this year, and I want to make sure that this space is a safe one for the future leaders to want to step into. He pātai ua tērā no te mea kāre te kumare kōrero mō tōna akirika, but put it this way, I am the mokopuna of yesterday, standing today to realise the dreams of my tupuna and to whakatika the path of our story and of our history here in Taupo. For me, the biggest challenge facing the district is the fact that things like equity and representation aren't actually acknowledged as serious and harmful challenges in our communities.